you're experiencing frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through some troubleshooting methods. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Access the Game Settings menu and lower graphics settings such as resolution or texture quality, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot the console into safe mode. Select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can cause stuttering in online games. Test your internet speed through the PS5 settings under Network. If the speed is low, consider using a wired connection or optimizing your Wi-Fi setup. Step 5. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help resolve performance issues. Move your PS5 into safe mode again by holding the power button until the second beep. Select the option to rebuild the database, which can take some time but may resolve stuttering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.